I am so happy, so blessed to be doing what I love. It's a process that it's emotional for me. I get emotional talking about it. Well, I cry for everything, but it's just very emotional because these are people that come into your life. You're guiding them, you're holding them. I think the reason my clients get to be so close to me at the very end of the experience, and they just don't want to let go. Seriously, they don't want to let go. They can see in me that I mean well. This is like childbirth, from the moment of conception to the moment of birth. And the reason I related to that is because I'm a mother. And to me, it's a very personal experience. It's a sense of accomplishment. It's a sense of me making a difference and seeing the culmination of it all at a closing table, but yet it's the beginning of their lives in this new place that they purchased. It's very powerful indeed. My name is Lourdes Haydar, and I look forward to helping you find your spot.